Hello everyone, this is I Tech You All Guy YouTube channel. It's your boy Two Phones here again with another informative video. This video is my experience a few days later using the Mint Mobile cell phone service. 3 months free service. You get 8 gigs of LTE data and unlimited talk and text. The setup, when you get it in the mail, you're going to get this nice little card and you get all the info inside. And once again, I love this presentation, how they have everything set up. So shout outs to Mint Mobile again with that. The setup for the SIM card, you just insert it, you go to the website, you hit activation, and you basically follow the instructions on the back of your SIM card card thing that comes with it, and you just put in the numbers correctly, and pretty much you're good to go. You do have to set up some APN settings on your smartphone, and they have instructions on how to do that on their website as well as the YouTube channel, and I'll probably leave some links in the description box just for that. So the setup wasn't hard at all. Once again, it's just the normal APN settings that you will have to put in any, MVNO or say a small carrier. So after that, I got all set up and I get VoLTE on the Nuu Mobile G3 Plus, but I also can get VoLTE on the Nokia phone. So I'm pretty sure the SIM card will work with the Nokia phone just fine because they're both dual SIM devices. I do have the Mint Mobile SIM in the second tray, and I got my free up mobile SIM in the first tray. Now the free up mobile SIM is for just free calls and text, but I'm getting 8 gigs of data for 3 months for each month. So for 90 days, every 30 days, it will renew to 8 gigabytes of data. Okay. Now, how are the data speeds? The data speeds are pretty much on par with the rest of the carriers that I use that run on T-Mobile without any issues. I'm not saying throttle, like it's not stuck to 5 megabytes per second or 8 megabytes per second or 2 megabytes, wherever the case may be with some carriers. I'm seeing over 75 megabytes in my area. I'm saying over 75 megabytes down and roughly about 20 up. So that's really good. That's really good high data speeds. And depending on your smartphone, you may get higher because I have like I said, Nuu Mobile G3 Plus. In my area, those are the speeds I'm seeing right now. Depending on wherever else I go, it might be higher, it might be lower. It just depends on the coverage. So I've done some testing, watching YouTube, Hulu, HBO Now. I have all those set up on my phone. And now I'm going to be running some tests with Netflix in this next week. But for those that want to know, can you use your stock dollar that's already included with your smartphone? Yes, with Mint Mobile, you can use your stock dollar as well as your Android messages application that's included with your smartphone, or whatever smartphone you have. You can use the default apps as normal with the service, so no need to download any extra applications. But I do want to talk about the Mint Mobile app. The Mint Mobile application, I don't know if you guys can see that, it must have been just loaded. So it's super clean, and I like the little animations it got going on. So it shows me everything with my service. I got 3 months, and if I want to stay on it, it's $105. After the free 3 months, it's $105 for the next 3 months with the 8 gigs of data per month. So now you divide it up, that's roughly about $20 a month, $25 a month, roughly, depending on the situation. I know they do have a deal right now. If you don't want to, get it partnered with the smartphone, you can go ahead and order the SIM card and just pay $20 today, and then you get the next 2 months free. If that works for you, other than trying to order a new smartphone and then getting the free 3 months of service. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a clean interface. Shows you your balance, what type of connections you got, how many months you're on, and then when you hit the slide up button, it shows you all this. You got all the account summaries, your referral friend program, your payment methods, your Wi-Fi, talk and text. Now, I do want to talk about that. So, when you're on Wi-Fi, it will show VO Wi-Fi. VO Wi-Fi means voice over Wi-Fi. So if you lose signal with T-Mobile network, because that's what the carrier network they're running on, if you lose signal with T-Mobile and you can find Wi-Fi somewhere, you'll still be able to make outgoing calls and still be able to send your text messages with your stock dollar and your stock Android messages app. So that's that is a good pointer to be thinking about, that they do have VO LTE and VO Wi-Fi. So those cool features. Now, like I said, the application is super clean. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It gives you the rundown of your cycle, how much your monthly bill, how much data you're getting each month. And like I said, you do have a referral code, so you can share your referral link to your family or friends and help them save money each and every other month. Not every month, but each and every other month. But they do give you the option to pay monthly. So that's something to think about. And they have a 3-month plan, 6-month plan, and a 1-year plan. It all depends on what you want and how much you're going to use the service. This is definitely a great phone service to be trying out while tax season is in full effect. This is definitely a service I would recommend during tax time. So, really no real hiccups, no real issues with the service right now. Like I said, I've been running some tests on other applications and things of that sort. Now, if you feel like 8 gigabytes of data isn't enough, or you think you're going to use that all up, I do recommend a couple of applications to, help you expand that 8 gigs of free data for free. So one application I do want to mention for those that think they're going to run out of 8 gigs before the 30 days is up and don't have to wait till the next month to renew. I recommend you downloading this application called Samsung Max. Samsung Max is a data saving application / VPN. You get all types of cool features with this app. You can save data while watching Netflix, while watching YouTube. You can save data listening to YouTube music if you don't decide to listen to FM radio for data-free music. It will save data on Facebook, Instagram, the usual applications that everyone is using. So I recommend this app. It's very money saving. It helps you save a lot of money on your phone plan, and it helps you make that data last long, because what it does is it compresses the data. Of course, you might see a little slowdowns and everything like that, but at least it's free, and it does help you get through the whole month with using this 8 gigs of free data. So that's one application I do recommend. I have several videos about this. I might make a new one up, so keep it locked. Another application that I think will help you save a lot of money is called Google Dally. Now, Google Dally, it actually lets you, you use your regular apps, but it will show you in real time how much data each application is using. So that's another app that will help you save a lot of data. One more app that I recently talked about is called Opera Browser Beta. Now, this has its own data saving setting. So if you're browsing the web, or if you're on the web and you're browsing, trying to watch videos or movies or whatever, it will turn on a data compression. There is a data saving option and a VPN option. So you want to be secure online and also save data. That's another application I recommend. So those are some other apps that help you save data, help you save money, and things, and that sort, help you get by as you go on. Now, like I said, Samsung Max will help you save over 53% of data while watching Netflix. So keep that in mind. That's a lot of data you're saving. If Netflix is your to-go streaming movie and TV application. All right. So Other than that, guys, yeah, would I recommend Mint Mobile? I would recommend Mint Mobile for anyone that doesn't want to waste money or spend money every month on phone service. Now, if you want to do a one-time payment and you feel like, or you're going out of town somewhere or something, this will actually be one of the most recommended carriers I will put out there on the list. If you want to try them out now for free, now's the time. The promotion actually ends February the 28th. So you have 10 days to try the service out for 3 months for free. So if you, like I said, if you're interested in something else, something new, something different, out of the ordinary, Mint Mobile is the way to go. Now, fortunately, they don't have a Sprint service or a Verizon service yet. Maybe they're working on it. Who knows? But right now, they're just partnering with T-Mobile, and I'm getting the same T-Mobile speeds as I would get on a traditional T-Mobile plan. It just depends on your smartphone. And let me remind you guys about data. You're not using a lot of data if you got a phone that's running on 720p or even 1080p. What happens is with most things, especially like applications like Netflix and YouTube, they have a setting that's automatically set to auto detect what type of resolution you're using. So a lot of people don't even know they're still watching 480p YouTube videos or 480p Netflix videos. You have to go into settings, and if you want the highest resolution that your phone can have the capacity of, then you have to go into settings and set those video apps to the highest performance. Now, if you don't care about that, 8 gigabytes of data for free should be more than enough for a whole month. Where most people, all they doing is just browsing Facebook, Instagram, and calling or texting. And we already know calls and texts don't use data. So, with that being said, it just depends on how you want to use it. I did get a new number. I didn't want to, port over any numbers, but they do have instructions on how to do that. If you want to permanently switch over to Mint Mobile, which I think a lot of people might do anyway. So follow the links in the description box. Let me know your thoughts with Mint Mobile. Have you had any issues? Now, I haven't talked to any customer service reps or anything, even, thought of calling them. But I did talk to them on Facebook and Twitter, and, they're glad that, I'm enjoying the service. And I'm actually glad that I am enjoying the service, and I got an opportunity to test them out. So shout outs to Nuu Mobile and Mint Mobile for making this all possible. And I hope you all make the switch, and I hope you all give us a try. Once again, the special offer ends February the 28th. And even by the end of next week, you got to think about that. That's almost leading to the beginning of June. So if you sign up within the next week, you have free phone service till the beginning of June, which is the summer will be awesome for you. And the spring. So you can enjoy spring break without worrying about a thing, guys. So once again, man, thank you all for watching this video. I hope I was very informative. And once again, guys, please check out Mint Mobile. I recommend this. Your boy Two Phones recommends Mint Mobile phone service just to try it out for free. It doesn't hurt. All right, so here we go again. Thanks for watching. Peace.